In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create digital art with ChatGPT 2026 full guide. We'll begin by getting crystal clear on your artistic intent. Before you type a single prompt, decide your style guardrails so the model stays on target. State the container up front, like hyper-realistic photography, a Renaissance oil painting, a 1920s vintage cartoon, a minimalist vector illustration, or a 3 Pixar style render. Then lock in composition and lighting. Specify framing and aspect ratio, such as a close-up or an ultra-wide 16.9. Add lighting cues like soft golden hour, cinematic film grain, or a neon-drenched cyberpunk look. This anchors the generation, reduces guesswork, and keeps every output visually coherent. When you're planning multi-asset projects, character families, storyboards, or an album rollout, move into canvas mode for structure. In the prompt, composer ask, analyze my uploaded character concept documents. Open a visual art canvas. Draft a comprehensive design brief listing the required visual assets, including Character 1, aesthetic/palette, Scene A, lighting, grid/mood, and item EUL technical specs. This canvas will act as our central creative control panel. Your workspace will split with your chat on the left and a live editable design sheet on the right, so you can manage constraints without losing context. Now iterate directly inside the canvas. Highlight any character description or mood line. Click the Ask ChatGPT comment bubble and give a local change like rewrite this character's visual profile to focus on extreme minimalist cybernetics with matte black plating and glowing cyan accents. Emphasize aggressive shadows and high contrast. Use the bottom right utility sliders to shorten long scene notes into tight prompts, and nudge tone to creative or descriptive so your briefs stay vivid and precise. For surgical image tweaks, open the generated image full screen and select the in-painting brush. Adjust brush size and mask only the area you want to change. Keep masks tight. Avoid covering the entire frame. Then give a localized prompt such as change this hat to a black matte fedora with a subtle red LED band. Keep surrounding neon lighting and face shadows consistent. Submit to rebuild just that region. Maintain continuity by keeping one conversation thread for multi-image sets. Reference prior outputs when expanding a universe. Based on the style of image reference 00, create a wider shot of a futuristic ramen vendor with matching lighting and textures. If a direction drifts, open version history at the top of canvas. Compare iterations side by side and restore a clean state. For quick blueprints, cinematic portraits thrive on 35mm close-ups, golden hour softness, and film grain. Minimalist vectors favor geometric shapes, monochromatic palettes, and strong negative space. Renaissance oil looks sing with chiaroscuro and textured brushwork. Vaporwave 3D benefits from neon lighting grids and matte materials. Apply targeted edits or follow-ups to refine each. That's it. Combining dense text briefs in Canvas with localized in-painting turns ChatGPT into a powerful interactive visual studio.